Too late now. Some for them, some for me. Hey, Amanda! Hey! Wow.
Got her daughter's clothes.
Yeah, good.
Sisters, I mean, not her daughter, sorry.
Because you know why? I got Melissa's sweatshirt. I'm not a very good videographer. I'll go over there, because I got summer in some of mine.
Hello, Skylar. Have a good race.